Hello everyone, today we will see how to assemble this beautiful birdhouse which is designed and developed by Steps to Do. If you look at the product, you get some wooden cutouts, rubber bands, colors, paintbrush, paintbrush and this thread as well. Now how to assemble? If you look at the cutout carefully, you can see there are these two similar parts, these two similar parts, and these are the two similar parts. Now this is going to be the base. If you look at the base, it is not a square, it is a rectangle. On the smaller side of the rectangle, these two cutouts will go, which are having peacock and sparrow on it. Now on the longer edge, you will be putting this next wooden cutout like this. Then put the next cutout. While doing this, you can see there is an engraving left, L for left and R for right. So it should come on right and left so that your beautiful engraved part will come out and it will look more decorative. Then this is the last strip which we are going to put. It's done. Okay, so half of the part of your birdhouse is done. Now only thing, if you feel it is little bit loose, rubber bands are provided. There are two ways to fix it. One thing, you can apply Fevicol or Fevigum directly and make it permanent. Otherwise you can apply rubber bands on it. Now to apply rubber bands, you can see you can put rubber bands from the back end of the house. If you use Fevicol or Fevigum, it will become somewhat permanent, and if you use rubber bands, it can be dismantled whenever you want it to shift it. Both ways are fine. Now apply rubber bands on this side as well. It's almost done. You can see your birdhouse is in the shape. Only thing, you're supposed to put the roof on it, and it's very easy. Put the roof. On roof also we will apply rubber bands so that it will become more sturdy and more beautiful. Your birdhouse is ready. Now the last part is, you're supposed to put this thread, decorative thread, through the birdhouse. There are holes provided. Just pass it from this hole and take it out from another side. See, it's done. Your beautiful birdhouse is ready. Now what you can do, you can paint it in your favorite color and welcome your favorite birds in your house. Hang it in your balcony, in your garden, and you can add greens over here. Paints and paintbrush is provided. So bring out your creativity and welcome your birds in your garden.